Lexington, Massachusetts, birthplace of American liberty. 250 years ago, on April 19, 1775, at dawn's early light, the first shot rang out, which started the battle for American liberty. For years, tension between Britain and its American colonies festered around taxation and representation. In 1769, 40 Lexington women gathered to spin linen and wool to show that they would no longer buy fabric imported by Britain.
At the edge of the water, diving deep into our past. She's not just someone's daughter, carving paths out of this mess. Like
In 1773, citizens of Lexington burned their tea in protest of British rule and taxes. On the evening of April 18, 1775, Paul Revere called upon a friend to make the agreed signal in the North Church steeple to show how the British regulars were going out of Boston.
Paul Revere said, if the British went out by water, we would show 2 lanterns in the North Church steeple, and if by land, 1 as a signal. For we were apprehensive it would be difficult to cross the Charles River or get over Boston Neck.
Paul Revere did cross to Charlestown, where it was confirmed that the signal was seen. In town, he told them what was acting and went to get a horse from Deacon Larkin. In his words, I set off upon a very good horse. It was then about 11 o'clock and very pleasant. I alarmed almost every house till I got to Lexington. The regulars are out. To arms! The people of Lexington, men, women, children, free, indentured, and enslaved, knew the time had come for action.
Captain Parker, the regulars are just down the road. Sound the alarm. Stand your ground. Do not fire unless fired upon.
Lay down your arms. Disperse, you rebels. The battle is over. 8 colonists lay dead. The first shot has been fired, and the war for American independence begins.
And with that battle began the American Revolution.
Parker statue is a large bronze figure of a colonial farmer holding a musket, sculpted by artist Henry H. Kitson and unveiled on April 19th, 1900, the 125th anniversary of the Battle of Lexington.
Bro dropped his rifle. Bro shoots his rifle when he like. Bro, that would actually be today. Yeah, come on, just shoot it. Shoot it. Imagine somebody's hanging from there with a rifle, and then when he shoots, he shoots. Bro, what the heck are you waiting for? Let's shoot it. Let's shoot the fucking thing. Alright, you know this is the.
Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free. The wretched refuse of your teeming shore, send these. The homeless tempest tossed to me. I left my lamp beside the golden door. In 1799, Lexington erected America's first war memorial, honoring the brave men who fell during the battle, and in 2024 dedicated its first monument to the bold women of Lexington.
In the beauty of the day, a million darkened kitchens, 1,000 millocks gray, are touched with all the radiance that a sudden sun discloses. For the people hear us singing, bread and roses, bread and roses. As we go marching, marching, we battle to
Wait, what? They said, oh, they're not zoning. Fortnite victory. I feel like I'm getting this the one